guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, I've got the witch casket. I'm sorry that my fingers are ridiculously filthy, but I've just been gilding some of my tarot cards and I've washed my hands about 10 times and it will not come off, so at least I know it won't come off my tarot cards. So yeah, I do apologize for that, but I just could not wait to show you guys this witch casket this month. So I'm going to open her right up. Okay, so let's have a look. So we have, let me just see. Oh. Here is August Witch Casket. Connecting with nature is one of the most important and magical things a witch can do, and never are we more powerful than when we have that connection with Mother Earth. So it looks like it's all about connecting with Mother Earth this month. And then on the back it's got a list of contents, but we'll go through that at the end. So this is my third witch casket now, and each month so far we've had a piece of work from Tea Cake Art. She is incredibly talented, and this is what we have this month. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Ooh, we've got the lavender and the crescent moon. We've got some candles and crystals and some potion bottles. That is just absolutely lovely. Doesn't it make you feel calm just looking at that? Now, something smells really good in this box as well. I can't wait to see what that is. Here we've got the Little Book of Plant Magic. Ooh. Okay, so it looks like it's got information on lots of plants in here. So we start with the bay leaf. The bay leaf's gender is male. Element fire, planet sun, star sign Leo, chakra third eye, and then it gives you a little bit about what bay leaves are good for, about the actual bay leaf, what they are useful in, and yeah, I guess it gives you a little bit of place, a little bit to write about your own experiences with bay leaves maybe. Chamomile, cinnamon. So it looks like it's got, oh, we've got some notes at the back as well. So we've got like the main plants in here by the looks of things. That is awesome. I love that. Okay, what have we got here? Elemental candle kit. Everything you need to represent the elements in your magical space. Amazing. Let's have a look. Look at that, it's got the elements here, spirit in the middle, can't forget spirit. Okay, let's see. These candles can be used on your altar and for spell work and rituals to represent the 5 elements as following: green candle earth, yellow candle air, red candle fire, blue candle water, white candle spirit. It is common practice to have them positioned on your altar as following: earth green north, air yellow east, fire red south, water blue west, spirit white center. And it gives you a little bit of the qualities of the candles there. That is absolutely ace. I love it. I love that. I need to put that on my altar. Okay, and then we have each of the candles here. Ooh, I missed a candle. The yellow candle. So we've got all the candles here. That is cool. Okay, what have we got here? Mugwort can be placed under the pillow, in charm bags, burned or used for oils and infusions, and it's good for perception, psychic ability and healing. So we've got some mugwort here. There we go. Oh, I love it. And I don't have any mugwort at the moment, but I absolutely love the smell of it. It's gorgeous. mint green tea. Well, I'm going to have to try that, aren't I? Naturally flavoured green tea, hand rolled into small round pellets. Once immersed in water, these pellets open to reveal a full leaf. Now I've got a tea strainer, so I'm not entirely sure how that would work, if I could still pour it through the same. Oh wow, they're really cool. I've never seen green tea quite like that. It looks like a little snake. And it smells divine. So I'll have to let you know how that tastes. Oh, we've got our pin for this month, which is Naturally Magic. I love that. Oh, look at this. Live life in full bloom. Oh, it's a little baggie. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. You can stick your little travel altar in there or something. That is amazing. That is a lovely little bag. Oh, we've got a pen that's made of wood. Grow through what you go through. Let's see if it'll focus. There we go. Oh, amazing. And, ooh, what is in here then? Wooden elemental amulets. Oh, a great way to introduce the elements of earth, air, fire, water and spirit in your magic. Place the amulets on your altar, carry them with you, add them to charm bags, use them in spells and rituals. Use these to symbolize elements wherever they are needed. Let's have a little look then. I love this little pouch as well. How cute is that? Oh, these are ace. So we've got air, spirit, earth, water, and fire. Oh, I love those. Okay, our crystal for this month. Ooh. That is a very interesting green. Green shirt or shirt. Ooh, is a stone of strength. Strength of heart, strength of belief, strength of compassion, strength of will. This beautiful stone is also a great healer and can help you to release hidden or repressed traumas and grief. Green shirt can also help with forgiveness or free you from feelings of guilt. That is lovely. Okay, and then I think this is our last item. Our incense for this month is Nandita wood spice. And yes, I think this is what is making the box smell so delicious. I'll have to burn some of this tonight. Let's have a look. Oh yes, that is lovely. That is lovely. And let's have a look at our scroll for this month. Try not to rip the scroll. Got there. Okay. So our scroll for this month is magical ways to connect with nature. And it's got like a list of things that you can do to make yourself feel more powerful and more connected to Mother Earth and things like that. That is absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to put that in my book of shadows. So that's it for this month's witch casket. So let's go through everything that we have here. The lighting is not that great, I do apologise. So we got our, let me just move this box out of the way. We got our little book of plant magic. We got our custom bamboo, so it's made of bamboo is this pen. Eco pen right there. We got a magical pouch, which is absolutely lovely. We got our wooden amulet there in a pouch, which is again absolutely lovely. We got our elemental candle kit right here. And again, I absolutely love this print. So we've got yellow, blue, green, white and red. That is lovely. What else did we get? We got a Naturally Magic enamel pin. Where can we stick that? We got, let's have a look, where did we get to? A Witch Casket exclusive Connect with Nature parchment scroll. We got mugwort. We got green chert tumble stone. There. We got loose leaf mint tea. We got our Nandita incense sticks. And we also got our print from Tea Cake Art. So again, we have done really, really well this month for Witch Casket. If you want to subscribe, it is £27 a month, including postage to the UK, but I know that they do post worldwide as far as I'm aware, so it's definitely worth checking out. Let me know what you thought of this video down below. Let me know if you got this box too and what your favourite item is. Let me know if you're going to subscribe to next month's box. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.